Hello everyone, Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So I'm at another one of our properties that's currently being rehabbed, a mobile home, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and I want to do a quick little tour. So if you watched my previous video, that was a final walkthrough to our contractor's job. This is not final yet. This is more in the stages, probably I'd say about halfway through. So we'll do a quick little review, but I just kind of want to show you, some of the things that we're working on and kind of pinpoint a couple little things. Reminder, we have the event on May 20th down in Central Georgia. If you cannot attend in person, join us virtually. We'll be playing it via Zoom as well. You can join, you can still interact, ask questions. A lot of content will be covered, so a lot of things you can learn. How to get into your first mobile home deal, how to get to the next one, how to multiply. We're going to add a lot of value. We have coaches, we have mentors that are going to be there, speakers, so join us. But let me go ahead and turn the camera over and show you a quick little glance as to what's going on here. So, and I'm not going to break step by step, but this is, when I say common sense, this is exactly what I'm referring to. Now, these contractors that are working in this one mobile home are more of my veteran contractors, if you will. They've done a lot of work for me, so they kind of know what I expect, and they use their brains, so it helps a lot. But here's an example. They came in and they sprayed the mobile home, painted it to obviously what we like, and before putting the vinyl down is when the spraying comes in. We had the same situation down in another city where the contractor decided the spray didn't cover the floor, even though it was brand new vinyl, and got overspray all over it. So, learning your contractor is definitely a big thing as well. But here's what it looks like. Right now this room is just about done. We still need to put trim around, fix a couple of those little sections, make them a little bit more even on the flooring, so that when we put vinyl, the vinyl does not tear. Going into now the laundry room, all that is new as well. They're going to re-insulate it properly, put the wall back up, and she is good to go. So keep it on moving. Let's go. So now we're into all these brand new doors, by the way. They have no hardware on them yet, but they will. So here's the shower. We're not going to replace that shower, but we are bringing a brand new sink. We're bringing a brand new toilet. Some of those already new. So, we're just upgrading. We're upgrading. We're updating. Remember, the key is to make them livable, presentable. That's our goal here. So, and this is a little smaller mobile home that I typically like, but this is a phenomenal market for rentals. We can do rent to owns. We can do lease options. I could do Airbnbs in Section 8 in this one as well. I'm not. I'm going to stick with the rental or lease option for now. But here's all their material. Still got some tools material sitting in here. So like I said, they're about halfway done today. So I actually asked them to step outside so I can come in and do the video. So, but here we go. New sections. And I mean, again, we're replaced with lumber, real lumber. All those gaps that you see on here are going to be covered. They have some floor cement, or we'll use some other type of forms also as well. But, keep in mind, okay, and I say this, is those little things that go a long way. The more you know about a mobile home. I'm not asking you to learn how to rehab, to become a handyman. But the more you do, the more rehabs, the more homes you invest in, you learn a little bit more and a little bit more at a time. So, May 20th, that's exactly what we're teaching you, is step by step how to invest in mobile homes. From getting deals to talking to sellers, how to hire contractors, how to pay them, hold them accountable, okay? How to sell, exit strategies, contracts, forms, documents. I mean, you name it, it is a full day of blast education, okay? Cabinets, we're back to doing black. I don't remember telling them to do the wall black as well, but I don't hate it. Obviously, they're not done. They still have to touch it up. But, this is just more of a modern kind of look. And I mean, it's great for cabinets. They need a little bit more work. Maybe instead of sitting there trying to sand them down, replace them, when you paint them nice, shiny black, it hides a lot of little imperfections. So, I'm sorry, 3-bedroom, 1 bath. So we got this front bedroom back here as well. And again, quite a bit of work still to be done. New light fixtures we're putting in. Also, a lot of these wall receptacles, brand new. So we're updating all this also. I will make another video once this home is done, so we can talk about the numbers, the breakdowns, all the money we have into it, everything that we will sell. Obviously, if we do a lease option, we'll talk about the number breakdown. How much down payment we would receive, how much a month, because again, when you're thinking about any mobile home investing, it always starts with the numbers. The numbers are what's going to dictate, is this a good deal? Is it an okay deal, or should I stay away or run from this kind of deal? And also the exit strategy. Many investors get into this and immediately say, oh, well, let me just go ahead and rehab it and then we'll figure out what we want. Before you invest in any mobile home, you should know what strategy you're going to use. You change your mind later, that's plenty fine, because it means you have options. I also never want to be limited. Okay, I'm not just a wholesaler. I'm not just a flipper. I'm not just a landlord. I do them all, because every strategy that I use is one more passive stream of income. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, that's how you generate wealth to come. So join us May 20th, Central Georgia. We will send out the exact location about a couple weeks prior to, but we'll share details. My team will give you as much information as you need. Like I mentioned, virtually is an option. So if you can't join us in person, join us virtually. But I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.